What we are going to look at next is a chemical called calcium carbide. And calcium carbide is a grayish solid. And the nice thing about this is it does a reaction with water. Let's have a look. If I add it to the water, you can see it starts to bubble and form gases. It gives a little bit of a precipitate in that case there. Let's show you one thing about the gas that it forms. It actually is flammable. And so calcium carbide, when it reacts with water, it actually forms acetylene gas. And acetylene is used in various applications, especially cutting metal, very high temperature flame. So chemists look at reactions like these and they'll say, yeah, this is really cool. Can we do anything with it? Let's modify this experiment. All I'm going to do is change the container. The container that I'd like to use is this one here. Looks a little different. However, we're going to basically add water to that container. And we're going to have to add the calcium carbide as well. However, I'm going to use a little technology here. This little device here, what it does is, when I place the calcium carbide in, right, it will give us just a small amount of that calcium carbide. And that's about it. And if I let it go, it refills that container. I'll put that right over top of the water here. All right. We need to give it a little spark. And so what we've got here is just a little flint. So if I hit this, you can see a little spark, hopefully. Now, this might be a little loud. So we'll have to use some hearing protection. And here is my hearing protection. We'll cover up nicely. So I will place the sparker at the end here. Let's do the reaction. However, in this case here, I'm going to actually modify it slightly. I've got a cork, and I'm going to put it at the end of this container. So we'll now take this and press it once. A little bit of solid has gone in there. Some acetylene has formed. We now just have to ignite it. Are we ready? And in 3, 2, 1, fire. So now we've taken a reaction that looked cool, but we've now made it useful. And you can see that we can find different applications.